My name is Clay Carter. I am the founder of SAE and the SAE companies that have been in business here in Logan, Utah for 30 years. We started SAE Water to help farmers of all sizes to address the problems that they face in the 21st century. Specifically, we face labor shortages and the inability to irrigate large number of acres without additional labor. Further, we started SAE Water to address the water conservation issue that's facing this country and really across the world in agricultural environments, where we need to save 30, 40, maybe 50% of the water that we're currently diverting and using, and make it much more efficient, as well as increasing the crop health. So a farmer that would come to us today having experienced traditional irrigation methods, what we would say to them is simply, we will save you time, we will save significant amounts of water, and we'll increase the crop health in your fields by putting our automation systems in. We understand the automation environment, and me personally being a farmer, third generation farmer, I understand what it takes to survive in the agricultural world. So taking automation to the farm is something that's a natural extension of what I've done my whole life. Traditional irrigation methods are terribly inefficient in their usage of water. SAE Water's systems automate the process, which eliminates the need for labor to be there constantly, and it manages the water in a way that it becomes efficient in the field and increases the productivity of each of those crops. What sets us apart from anyone else is that our systems are adaptable to hardware and systems that are already installed in fields. We will adapt to existing pipelines, to existing valves, and to existing head gates to automate those in a way that takes the step to full automation for the farmer without tearing out old things that they've done over the years to become more efficient. We grew up on farms. We understand what it takes to flood irrigate farms, and we understand the investment and conservation that farmers are endeavoring to take, and we want to capitalize on that and help them take the next step forward. We see that SAE Water will be implemented in more and more systems across the United States as well as into foreign countries. Using SAE system involves technology that a farmer already has in his pocket in the form of a phone or an iPad, and allows him to walk through a field. When he sees that that field needs irrigation, he can schedule it, and then he simply has to press go, and the system will completely irrigate that field on its own. Our technology is changing the life of farmers. Personally, I'm a third generation farmer on a small 250-acre irrigated farm. I also have a day job, and I have a family and other activities that require some of my time. Without the automated systems, there is no way I could irrigate my farm without relying upon a manual irrigator on that farm full time. With these systems, it allows me to irrigate my farm from my phone, and I don't have to be there, which gives me quality of life that I would have never had. It allows me to do the things that I do best, to check crop health, to look for pests that might exist in crops that might cause other problems. It allows me to focus on the things that increase productivity instead of mundane things that are changing water and managing water on an hour-to-hour basis. The farmers that we have installed this automation for report back to us that it has changed their life. It's given them quality of life. Instead of getting up all night long to change water, they can now get 6 or 7 hours of sleep. It allows these farmers to continue to work on their farms later in their lives instead of retiring at 60 because their bodies are broken down and they can't continue to work. Now they might be able to irrigate their farms until they're 75 without any issue whatsoever. So it changes the entire environment for the farms that we're installed on now. It changes their quality of life, it changes their productivity, and it gives them something that they can look forward into the next century of how their farm is going to survive as other conditions in the world change around them that they need to adapt to. If you're facing challenges on your farm and you're looking for solutions to increase your productivity, reach out to SAE Water and let us come and help you design a system that meets your needs to address the challenges that you face and give you some quality of life back.